I bring good tidings to you. Love, unity, peace. Ndị Igbo niile, ebe ebe unu nọ, maka ndị na ala bekee, ndị n'obodo oyibo, ndị nọ na Nigeria, ndị nọ na South East, ma ndị nọ na Delta, ma ndị nọ na Ikwere Land na Rivers State, ndị nọ na Equatorial Guinea, ma ndị Igbo niile, ụfọdụ nọ na Kogi, ndị nọ na Dela na-akwa ndị Aniọma, na ndị Aniọma afọ ahụ, a nwere ndị Ukwuani, ndị ndokwa, a nwere ndị Anịọcha, ndị osimiri, a nwere ndị ka anyị na-egbo ofu. This matter dị on now. People dey accuse me say etu esi asụ Igbo abụrụ m onye Ukwuani. Okay, ask them, what is the difference between Ukwuani and Igbo? Kebo different, okay, let me speak Ukwuani. Kebo different, if Kebo fe iche dani, asụsụ Igbo, asụsụ Ukwuani. In fact, not like asụsụ Igbo. Every Igbo race have its own language. It's limited to asụsụ Igbo. Igbo have their own. Everybody have their own. Or have to have their own. Isha language, they have their own. And not have their own. So asụsụ Igbo is not on its language. It's a conglomeration of different ethnic languages. Dialect, not loving this. Ukwuani is a dialect. And not just a dialect. Or have just a dialect. Isha language and dialect. Or have to have a dialect. Everybody is having a dialect of Igbo language. So when people say in our Igbo, it's Igbo, I said nothing like Igbo. Igbo have different dialect. Yorubas have different dialect too, but until later they grow a Creole Yoruba language called Yoruba language in Lagos. If you come out for Lagos and go to Oyo, all the old men there will not hear your language because they don't hear Yoruba. Go to Ijebu, any place for 80 years, whenever they don't hear your language. So those that the Tibet, they grow together for over a century, God of spiritual unity, and they call one. Oh, when they are soon they became acephalous. Acephalous flower, it means different person, different their own. Anonaki, non-naki. That's the called Kiribo, acephalous society, acephalous culture. How about this acephalous spirit culture? He put into. Now, this 124, we not agree for anybody. If you say I be solar to who? Who pay me money now, man? Or Igbo, or who my brother from my commerce, or my brother Henry, man. Nobody paid me. I just realized that we are all Igbo. All the Ukwuani people, when it was saying they're not Igbo. I want to ask the question: if a war break out now, or riot in Kano, and they start to flog a maker, Ifeanyi Chukwu and Ngozi Chukwuka, what Kobo could they flog Ngozi Chukwuka from a debtor? Is it different from the one from Enugu or any other place? My brother, when this more riot on December 25th start to keep people from Plateau, they ask them where they come from. These are people that are very close to them. So this thing, when would they do? Now our future unity, our future benefit. Because now, if they speak Bia, they say no Bia. They say, what is water? Say meeting. What is a house owner? What is a market afia? Ahia. What do you give? What is your problem? A maker, I know be maker. I be chimel, I know be chima. I be onyema, I know be onyema. Bros, you are confusion, they worry you. Neither let me pray for you in the church. All this confusion, I reset your brain. Through our ancestors, I reset your brain. Makachuku, you need the brain resetting. On a serious note, I'm not being insulting. Ukwuani now is we need to preach Igbo unity. It will benefit us. Let me ask my people from Ndokwa, Anịọcha, Osimiri. These are the primary Akolono. If the Igbos in the Lagos all over decide to invest, correct the investment, they come out for to north, come out the investment from Lagos. Where are they carrying investment to? Igbo land. And the fair play they will lead is from Agbo, Asaba, Ukwuani. They will put the investment there, but it is secure. Since they born us, the biggest shop in your village, you get them. Now you go pay. The biggest this one in your village, you get them. Now you go pay. They don't fuck your wife. They don't thief your money. They don't call your hand in your land. Go inside your farm, kill you. They do since they marry your people. So what is your problem? Why are you afraid of them? Okay, the domination of India Hausa is better domination of your brother from me. My brother. Happen here in our corner. Sari Keli or Samadu Bufu. Ukwuani say, or Sari Chabufu. Okay, if I saw Sari Chabufu, The way somebody from Anambra need interpretation. No one will talk again. Any neighbor, any neighbor, any neighbor, any neighbor. Anambra say, any neighbor. The thing that surprised me, my brother, they do also. People say, don't collect money. Yes, that's my papa, no, Ubu. But my own names I choose from this place. Boy, Ubu. My brother, the time has come for us to change our brain. Every person when they speak beyond one. If you like, not believe. The time when the Kuboku they raise up the flag, I go no save all of them. We will not dollar ourselves because this time we not agree for people when want agree with us. And know what? They go believe reason and fact speak for themselves. Reason and fact and truth speak for itself. So any person when they fear say Igbo go dominate them, I like the thought. Igbo had never dominated anybody. Igbo had never had a history of conquest. Igbo people are the only people that don't conquer. They don't look into people land. They don't have much land, but they don't take person. They never taking people land. Even among themselves, that's why you see every Igbo is autonomous community. Igbos are known for the autonomous spirit. They're known for indefatigable republican spirit. They don't have time to dominate the village. The next village is different from the next village. They have different. Even within the village, no king. So why are you afraid? Let me tell you, it is time we unite so that Igbo people will come and develop Anyoma. You like it or not. All the investment billions in Arab International, all the investment billions in Amatori, all the investment billions in Ladikbo, all the investment billions in the Mushi, all the investment billions in the Tumota and other places, in Kano, in Abuja. They will bring it to this. Because now it's time for us to say we are one. All this is different will not take anywhere. Okay, if Nigeria breaks now, and Yoma people want to go. You want from the Republic of with them, or you want from you want join in the Femano Yoruba, or you want join Benin. And also say, and not all say some people know that among us. So those who are wrong come. So Nigeria don't go America because citizens. But those as Nigeria go America because citizens. They call the class say American Igbo land, American Yoruba land. Those who Benin went among us. They are welcome, but they shut up their mouth. They never say the Anyoma belong to Benin. Because Benin, what Benin people call Anyoma land or Equal land. That land has been Igbo land. They call it. Oji can come Western for this Sunday. What's the market? Western. Adios, Aja Jenny. Big Bonine. No, we don't know. But you will sign up.